Well, I'm on the farm today, and one of the things I've talked about a lot on this farm is how windy it is. The gusts come down through here, and we've had some really strong winds and rain the last day or so. It's still windy. It's settled down here just a second, but I can feel it picking back up. But I'm going to show you what I mean when I talk about wind on this farm. So I had a hay wagon over here, and the wind got it and flipped it over. It's a Knowles hay wagon. This one was in need of a rebuild, I think, and I had put some plywood down on the floor. The floor had pretty much rotted out, but you can kind of see the carnage here. I've heard of hay wagons blowing over, but I never imagined it would happen here. That one didn't blow. I hauled a lot of hay on this wagon. I bought it at an auction somewhere out in West Virginia. Brought it in. We used it as a flatbed wagon for a long time. And then we put kicker racks on it. Pretty amazing. So I've been talking a lot about rebuilding hay wagons. I'll add this one to the list. I'll do another video. I'll try to get a tractor going here. It's really cold. I'll talk to you later.